Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're about to take you on a mind-blowing journey through time, where we'll explore how China went from inventing some of the world's most groundbreaking technologies to becoming a global leader in the future of innovation. Trust me, this isn't just your typical history lesson. This is a story of vision, resilience, and some seriously game-changing inventions that still shape our world today. From the compass that navigated the world to the rise of artificial intelligence that's changing the way we live, China's technological journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. You'll see how inventions that were created thousands of years ago are still influencing global tech today. And hey, who knows, by the end of this video, you might just start looking at modern tech in a whole new light. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a history buff, or just curious about how one country became a tech titan, stick around. This story is about to get really interesting. Grab some popcorn, sit back, and let's jump right in. Let's rewind more than 2,000 years to the era of the Han Dynasty, 206 BC to 220 AD. Did you know that China was the birthplace of some of the world's most groundbreaking inventions? First up, paper. Around 105 AD, a court official named Kai Lun revolutionized writing by inventing paper from bamboo, hemp, and rags. This invention changed communication forever. Think about it. No books, newspapers, or written contracts without it. And that's not all. China is also credited with the invention of gunpowder, which, first used for fireworks, would later change the course of warfare around the world. Imagine a world without gunpowder. No guns, no cannons, no modern explosives. Moving forward to the Tang Dynasty, 618 to 907 AD, China's technological progress really took off. The invention of the magnetic compass enabled Chinese explorers to navigate the seas and open up new trade routes. This allowed the Chinese to trade goods, ideas, and technologies across vast distances, connecting east and west like never before. And speaking of trade, the Silk Road wasn't just about silk or spices. It was a conduit for knowledge and technologies. It's through these routes that ideas like zero and even gunpowder made their way to Europe. Without the Silk Road, who knows how differently history might have unfolded. Now, let's jump ahead to the Song Dynasty, 960 to 1279 AD, a period known for technological innovation. The Song Dynasty introduced movable type printing, which would later spark the Renaissance in Europe. This invention, which allowed for faster and more efficient printing, helped spread ideas and knowledge far and wide, shaping the future of education and literacy. By the time we reached the 20th century, China had gone through many struggles, including the Opium Wars and the devastation of World War II. But in the 1970s, under Deng Xiaoping's leadership, China launched its 4 modernizations, focusing on agriculture, industry, defense, and science and technology. This set the stage for China's rise as a technological powerhouse. Fast forward to the 21st century, and China has become a global leader in technology. China's advancements in telecommunications, like Huawei's dominance in 5G networks and in e-commerce, led by giants like Alibaba, have transformed industries worldwide. But it doesn't stop there. China is leading the way in artificial intelligence, from smart cities to autonomous vehicles. Companies like Baidu and Tencent are at the forefront of AI development, and China's ambitious Made in China 2025 initiative is aiming to dominate industries like robotics, aerospace, and clean energy in the coming years. And speaking of clean energy, China is also investing heavily in renewable technologies. China is now the world leader in solar power production and has the largest fleet of electric vehicles. In fact, China's commitment to green technology could be one of its most significant contributions to the future of our planet. From ancient innovations like paper and gunpowder to modern breakthroughs in AI and clean energy, China's technological journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. Today, China is not only a global leader in tech, but it's shaping the future of innovation in ways we can't even predict yet. So what's the takeaway from all this? It's clear that China's technological journey is one of resilience, creativity, and vision. From ancient times to today, China's contributions have changed the world in ways we still feel every day. If you enjoyed this journey through China's tech history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts below. What do you think is the next big technological breakthrough from China? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.